How to add or remove widgets on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add or remove widgets on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Simply tap and hold in an open area on your home screen. At bottom you will see different kinds of icons like wallpapers, icons, widgets, layouts, transitions and many more. Select widgets, and here you can see the clock widget, calendar widgets, Chrome, contacts and many more. Simply, suppose if you wish to add the clock widget, you can select on a particular widget that you want to add on your home screen. After that, it will be added on your home screen. Later, if you wish to remove the widgets on Android, tap and hold. Then you will see the remove option below that. Tap on it and then tap remove widget option. This will help us to add or remove widgets on Android device. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.